Hi everyone, this is Gadgetlily and welcome back to my channel. I have been meaning to organize my makeup brushes, so I thought I would film this and also give you a little tour of my makeup area and also how I store some of my makeup. It's nothing fancy, so don't expect too much. By the way, thank you all for leaving me wonderful comments and thank you for your views and support. I have selected this time DD Garden of Beauty to receive a little gift from me. So DD, please contact me, see description box. Thank you. Back to the video. I don't have many brushes at all, but I don't like digging for the ones I want to use, so I want to better organize them and also to get rid of some of the ones that I never use. I have some Sephora brushes. They were gratis from work. I have some e.l.f. brushes and some I picked up from TJ Maxx. The most I spent on brushes is for the set of Wayne Goss anniversary brushes. But my favorite brush is actually a blending brush from It Cosmetics. Especially for my eyeshadow brushes, I always grab the wrong ones. So I have this 4-compartment holder to separate the blending, crease, pointed, smudger brushes. This should make it much easier. I had this holder for a long time and it was meant for holding chopsticks. I'm putting this thing to good use. I was able to narrow down the ones I want to get rid of. These are definitely going. Don't like them at all. I've organized them and these are the ones that I am going to keep, and I am going to put them at my makeup area. I'm going to actually use the Wayne Goss anniversary set canister to hold these brushes. I use a wall pocket to hold a few of my powder brushes. It has an owl on it. At the end of the video, you'll see that I really like owls. I hope you stick around to the end of this video. This pin is a gift from the director of Shiseido Museum when I visited Tokyo. Here's how I store some of my other makeup. I love my Shiseido Shimmering Cream Eye Colors and the NARS Multiples. You will notice I don't have any liquid foundation because I don't use them. I use powder foundation in compacts, or I blend concealer, primer, and moisturizers together as my foundation base. I found this owl design holder at a flea market for 50 cents. It's great to hold miscellaneous samples and tubes. Perfect for my makeup table. These shelves are from IKEA. I think they're meant to hold picture frames, but I use them to line up my makeup and skincare. Perfect for this area. I need to organize my lipsticks next. I don't usually wear fragrance, so I just have a few bottles, and they're on this shelf. It's me holding an owl that was taken at an owl cafe in Tokyo a few years ago. It was an awesome experience to hang out with them. And thank you for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed this quick tour. Please check out my other videos, and I will see you next time. Bye.